Nortius Maximus.
Small burger.
That's ridiculous.
Wow, look at that.
And if he has to pee in the middle of it, we're sending a puke monitor with you. You can monitor him peeing, we'll monitor you puking.
Pace
Yeah.
yourself.
I don't know, just go for it. Just tear into it.
You want to sprinkle some hot sauce on it?
Yeah.
No.
It's in between Columbia and Amboy.
This is tasty.
Go out the gate, go right, up the hill, go right, and then yeah, right, kind of on the left. It's right there on that corner.
Probably about $10.
Yeah, we'd buy them and split them, but he seemed to think that he wanted to do an eating contest, so he said we'd buy one of these guys. Free lunch.
Only if you finish it. Yeah, pay for it if you don't.
Yeah. Oh, by the way. One little bit we forgot to tell you.
Yeah.
Does anybody start at Roakes?
I'm
It
recording.
was 11 starting 5.
No, like Corey said, he's recording it. Are you about halfway done with that half?
First half started.
Do you have a strategy?
Nope.
It's good background.
Just think of it like a giant bowl of spaghetti.
This thing is so, so juicy.
Is it still warm?
It's lukewarm. I'd love to have got here a little bit earlier, but
What was consider a microwave the other day?
We got 38.
It's an awesome backdrop for your video.
That's it?
Well, just
I wasn't good at my coffee cup back there.
It's not as second beat, yeah. And then the runner, I'm like 4 seconds. So, but even if I take all those off and it's put them outside the, just set the next knot, I still
Corey takes pictures of Kelly would have another point. I was sitting right by the table. It just happened when he snapped the picture.
The good news
The
is,
TV, it just says Marines just straight across it. Like, oh yeah, is that what it is?
yeah.
Not too bad, you're almost done with the first half.
Well, that's the thing is I finished my half one. I was like, that's not that bad. About 5 minutes later, I was like, I'm good.
Settles.
I'm
More of
good.
a split too.
Poker face, poker face, you know, they should put it in the dish, everybody's gotta eat. My one leg next time.
Pretty good.
There's a piece of lettuce on the table next to the container that don't let that get away.
don't let that get away. Yeah. Thanks.
You want some water?
Good news though is that
I want to fill up on water.
I just got to make it back upstairs in time.
I'll walk upstairs after this.
Do we have an elevator?
Yeah. I think it's, for me, it's the ham. There's a lot of ham.
This lunch is there.
Hmm?
Basic stuff.
Hmm?
Need any water?
I might need water. I'm good for now.
I think it's just one patty.
you done the 70% steaks yet?
No.
I think if you can do that, you're halfway there.
No way. This got like potatoes and all kinds of crap with it.
You get introduced.
No.
You guys all wear blues?
No, just for promotion and stuff. It's a lot different than the other stuff, that's for sure.
More official or more laid back?
More official, I'd say.
Our commander's call this month is a lot different than it's been for the last 18 months.
Almost halfway there.
How am I supposed to be looking at Brockman? He makes me not hungry.
See that thing?
Mm.
I like that.
That's a lot of hamburger.
Look at the side.
Let's see what else is in that damn thing.
At least we're actually.
So what, are you the featured performer here?
Yeah.
He's the entertainment.
I'm the entertainment for the drill. One way or another.
How you feeling halfway through?
Yeah, how you doing? He said right there, that's how I'm doing. Oh, that was a little light. Attack.
Is he gonna make it?
The best defense is a good offense.
Don't go.
He's already feeling it. Yeah.
He's starting to feel full. Just think about all those starving kids.
Yeah. Think of all the.
You have to lick the paper when you're done.
Hey.
Come on, big bite still.
Back and leave lettuce on the plate, but no meat.
No meat. Oh, the tiny little piece of something.
How's that ham?
You know the guy, what is that? The sailors over here that has the big roast. I know a guy that ate that.
What are you shaking your head for?
And the
72-ounce steak.
and the waitress goes.
Nothing with this.
So that baked potato, and he goes, please. He ate everything.
What are you supposed to?
No, he had just a little bit of the wrapping left, the skin left. And no, he's a big guy.
You wanted the whole thing? He wasn't full yet?
He wasn't.
I could eat a lot of steak, but not.
Oh, he ate everything. I think he probably chewed on the bone after it was all done too. Huh?
I think. I don't know.
Pushing the ball back in, huh, Greg?
But I think
Huh?
at this point, my recommendation would be to just try and get all of it down.
Yeah. Before the brain knew that the belly was full.
Yep.
What do you think, Mitch? How's it feeling? Get a color commentary from the guy.
Did you have a whole one?
Let's tried.
No.
It wasn't worth it.
Yeah,
Mitch is already in a coma.
He was in his own little world already.
I am in the coma. It's not a coma.
In the tumor.
It's a tumor.
What specifically does your company supply? What did you say your name was?
I gotta put this video under there, so the month of the ticket test, the other show held an eating contest.
Pizza yesterday, Krispy Kreme today. You can tell we're wrapping up the fitness test.
Mm-hmm.
Most unhealthy cheeseburger in the city.
Mm-hmm.
What am I counting?
It's good.
I think that
Emailing all the guards for the city the day after you guys are here. We're next
you
weekend.
hear that grilled cheese grill. Yeah, they make a
That was
cheese
not cool. Yeah, so I was like,
patties
sweet,
of
send us
grilled
cheese.
cheese sandwiches.
Son of a bitch, that's Monday.
That'd be awesome.
I wanted to ask the commander that.
How you doing?
And be like,
It's about a quarter left, huh?
you know, whenever they say there's softball and a half
Maybe.
and beer for everyone, did it afterward?
It still tastes good.
You're
I
flying.
didn't have question and answer time, and I didn't want to ask a question in front of everybody because I would have told me
Maybe
that.
like 10 minutes into it.
Yeah. Call it 6 eyebrows up.
Hmm?
More of it would be skinny.
yelled to him from the car. Start line, Corey stop.
Hitting that ham pretty hard.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Salty, huh?
Mm-hmm. Freaking chew and chew and chew.
I mean, you're pretty much on the home stretch. Is that about 3 bites? I'm looking at the video.
Mm.
You gonna have dinner tonight too? Big bowl of spaghetti.
That's what we have.
Or another hamburger. Bacon cheeseburger and I Red Robin.
Sandwiches.
I think you got this, Greg. I think it's.
You were well worried. I was worried that my 30-minute video was
Been 12. You do it in 15.
Mm-mm.
Oh, come on, 3 more minutes?
Maybe.
How's the plate look though? It's gotta eat all the meat off the plate.
Yeah, all the crap is squeezed out. Oh, okay.
Oh, wow.
Just some lettuce.
Hey,
Mm-hmm.
You gotta do the man versus food and just act like it's big bang.
Oh.
you need to stand up. That's just bad. Is that gonna be the last bite?
I don't know.
That's it.
Hmm?
He's not swallowing, his mouth is completely full.
I'm eating here.
I was wondering if that piece of sandwich is gonna be 1 bite or 2.
Mm-hmm.
I think if he's a man, he'd swallow it in half and eat that one.
That's it. It's 1-on-1 both.
Man versus food.
Two eggs. We bought 3 of those burgers. Corey, me, and Mitch, and Dan split 2 of them.
Really?
And no fries non-stop.
Mm-hmm.
Did you have breakfast this morning?
Light, real light.
Oh, clammed out.
Real light. Well, you got to. Like that guy doesn't. You know he does. Had coffee with it too, and that fills you up.
There he goes, there he goes.
I gotta swallow it. He still has one. Now we're all gonna punch you in the stomach.
No.
And a Krispy Kreme
That talk about using
Yeah, they used to be bigger.
Are those patties regulation size or what?
Good job, Greg. 15 minutes on the dot.
Not bad.
I know, I'm waiting. See if he